There are a ton of people at DePauw who are very, very passionate about things and who are looking for new ways to expand that passion. And I feel that the Creative School and the whole Institute of DePauw does a great job of making sure those people can express those passions and meet each other.
I think it's really important to just enjoy the way you spend your time. You should do what you're obsessed with and love doing, because I don't mean you put it all into that.
Being creative, expressing myself has been a process of healing.
Creativity to me is kind of like a lifestyle, kind of a thought, an idea, the way you live your life.
Honestly, I just want to make something. For me at least, creativity is important because there's an output to it.
If people are talking about art, something we've done has stuck with somebody.